finished building Martha. Martha is one of the best builds I ever did for myself only, and I did it for freestyle frame. It has a lot of money invested in it, and I took it for a party and I flew it over the water, and after 3 batteries or 4 batteries it dove into the water and I couldn't accept it. Since then I can't sleep, I can't eat, nothing, and just had to do something with it. Now unfortunately it had rain the whole week, so I couldn't do with it anything. Today I went again to save my quad, and I came with a crew with scuba diving equipment and metal detectors equipment, short term and long term, and I built some stuff for camera with transmitter and the FPV goggles with the long stick that I can put inside the water, and then I can see what's inside. And I did a lot of stuff for that, and when I got to the place today, I just looked around at on my right to the left, and the visibility on the water was good. So after like 4 minutes, it's like 2 hours and a half from my house. 4 minutes after I got there, I found my little Martha. Now this is exactly how I found it, exactly with the battery connected and the GoPro and everything inside here. First thing first, I'm excited to do that. I don't know if anything will work, but I believe some of it will work. I'm gonna do whatever I can to do it, to save it. Now, first thing first, I'll take the camera, I'll take the cover of the camera, let's see. I won't try to turn it on now, but it looks okay. It looks okay, but you can't really tell. It has a memory card inside of it. I'm gonna try to clean it before I open it, and clean this as well. So, let's put it in the sink. First thing first, and second thing is to disconnect the battery. I believe after 7 days and 2 hours the battery is completely dead. I don't know if it's possible to save it, but one connector fell. This is the list of my problems. So this is the battery. I'm gonna wash it again, and I'm gonna take the Velcro. I'm gonna wash it because it's rubberized Velcro and it's expensive one, and it looks quite good. 7 days in sweet water. It's not salty water, so it's okay. And another Velcro. RJX is a good company. Now I don't know if you can see that inside here I got like corrosion with white and brown stuff. You can see the brown stuff over those places, like here. Don't know if you can see it. It's kind of brown around the aluminum screws and metals. All the metal pieces has like brownish color of rustiness. And what else? It has white stuff. And I believe what I'm gonna do now is open all of it, and I'm gonna wash it with soap. And afterwards I'm gonna brush it with alcohol, and afterwards I'm gonna brush it with special contact cleaner spray, and afterwards I'm gonna connect everything back, and let's see, what do you say? Will it work? Will anything of it will work? The camera, the FC, the ESC, the VTX, what? The RX, the antenna, the buzzer, the LEDs, what will work from here? The motors, the frame looks good, nothing happened to the frame, the marmot, but what do you say will work from here? It's a good question. So I'm gonna wash it and gonna show you later what what happened.
Martha, who made from Armatan frame, Marmot, and Martha 4 months ago dove in the water, and I was looking for her for a week. So she was a week in the water without taking it out, and all the components, everything was in the water. After a week I took it out with some metal detectors, and a lot of people helped me, and I took it out and take it home, and let's check it out what I did with it.
Baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding.
To open the propellers and remove the propellers, we have one missing, one's damaged, and 2 propellers in great condition, 100% condition. So I'm gonna wash them, and I have 2 propellers. This is a Zora prop, so I love them. So I have 2 propellers off of it, and I'm gonna open all of it.
The zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mash me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drumming round in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost.
Thing we're gonna do, we're gonna disassemble the camera. Now, as you can see, I'm saving all the screws because it's all titanium plated screws. Titanium plated are very, very good screws for maintaining the screw very well underwater.
I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body in Harvard above me. I saw no shadow, I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt the glow. The warmth inside me, it kept me afloat. It felt like heaven, it found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. Now you're gone, I'm alone.
Ooh, looks good. Looks very good.
If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder, 'cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body in Harvard above me. 23, I heard the heavens crying above me. They gained an angel, I lost a friend. I felt like dying again and again. I went through hell, stared at death, but I keep fighting with each living breath. I saw no way out from where I stood. Felt like the fire had burned me for. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend.
Is done, fried completely, all fried over. Oh my god, the ESC is totally dead. Wow, all the MOSFETs are outside. Now we're gonna clean the flight controller. Disassemble the motor there with the screws. Got it. Oh, that looks bad. Super bad.
So what happened if your motor doesn't shine like this, and it shines like shit, like this, and it dove in the water for a week? So I want to show you what you do. You open your beta flight, pop a battery in, and you spin the motor on 1300. You take tweezers, the edge of tweezers, like this, and look how beautiful it is. Shine again, shine. And that's all. Look, the shine. Nice, yes. Great.
So
So the only part that was damaged in here was the ESC, which I think was damaged immediately when it touched the water. I saw the iron here moving from side to side, and there was a lot of shortening here. And the FC, I believe, was damaged from the ESC because they were connected, and the TBS Unify Pro was damaged as well as the buzzer over here. So I replaced the buzzer with the LED because it came together. So those are the 4 things that weren't survived. So besides that, the camera, the motors, Flyme 2306, and antenna, and RXSR receiver, one capacitor over here of 1000, camera, everything, and the frame, of course, the mammoth, everything was good. Let's check it out, what we can find, what we can fly with it.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done now.
So Marta is fine, and I flew it, and it was amazing. And I hope you liked it, everybody. And if it gave you some ideas or can save you your parts, hope it did. And hope to see you again. See you later, alligator. Fly high.